my channel. I actually got another Boxycharm in the mail, so I'm thinking this is the March, because I did the February already, so, and it's pretty stuffed, so I'm super excited about opening it. Lo and behold, I shall open this really thick box that's about to bust at the seams. Just see. Oh my goodness. Bay, what does that say? Bay caution, by caution. I don't know. I don't want to look at the cards, even though I always like to look at the cards. We're going to look at the cards last. But I don't even know what to say what's going on in this box by Pretty, does that say Pretty? Pretty Vulgar. Make Them Blush. Prime Vixen. Number 111. That is the cutest little case. First, I thought it was a picture frame, like a little mini picture frame. I will definitely do a swatch on this in a minute. Next up is a full size, and this is what I love about Boxycharm, in case you guys are interested for the subscription. I love Boxycharm for their full size samples. They do not jip you out on little minis like we want big samples. Just kidding. Up first is Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I've never heard of Bella Pierre. And it is a full-size black mascara. And I'll go ahead and open it to see the wand in a moment, because I'm super excited. This box is like packed, you guys. This is by South Main. 3 gel eye packs, reduces puffiness, dark circles, and moisturizes areas. I need this. Okay, I don't know what that is. This next is the Smoky Eye Brush Set by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. And you get 3. Now, what in tarnation is this? This is a palette. I feel it. I feel it coming. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And it's a collab with Boxycharm. And let's go on in. Okay, so you guys, wait. I'm going to swatch this stuff. I'm going to swatch it first on my daughter's arm. But look at this palette, you guys. What in tarnation is this? This is a full-size palette from Pure. Look at these colors. We have Perfect, and it looks like Nike, Belle, Squad, Charmer, Allegiance, Bay, ATL, Duet, Mia, BFF, and a Boxy Black. OMG. I cannot wait. So what I'm going to do is I am going to swatch these on my daughter, because I am just over the top. First, this is the Bella Pierre mascara. And then these little lovely things here. They keep getting notifications on my phone. You get 3 packs, and I'm going to use one tonight. Oh, they feel nice and cool. 3 packs. Yep, you get 3 packs in here. And then let me go ahead and open this. Pretty bright pink. It is very bright, although I'm not sure if this is gonna be my shade without me putting it on and looking like Bozo the Clown. However, I can definitely use this for an eyeshadow. You can't have too many eyeshadows, and it is like a really creamy, it's not creamy like consistently, it's just smooth. And again, the color is Shining and Brightening Your Eyeballs, Prim Vixen. And then here it is, I swatched it. So it's a very pretty pink color. It's just I'm afraid that it's so pigmented, I'll look like a Bozo the Clown wearing this. So it's definitely going to be into an eyeshadow for your girl. Next up is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. I've never heard of this company until now. It says, let's see, smudge your brush. Yeah. I'm trying to see. Interesting. It doesn't say. The Vintage Cosmetic Company. It's a British brand. 25% off of online orders. Here is the coupon if anyone's interested. I'm gonna go check that out after this video. But I did want to show you the brushes. They are full-size brushes. These are not like mini or trial brushes. They are full-size brushes, and I am beyond over the top right now because the other box that I got a few weeks ago had full-size brushes before, or in that one too. So these brushes here, it says step 1 for the money. And I was writing it to say 2 for the show, but the other one says the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and so does this one. Oh, it does! It says 2 for the show, if you guys can see that. I'm blinding you in your eyeballs. 2 for the show. And step 3, if I can get it in here, is step 3, go girl go. Oh my goodness! So you have your shader. Definitely, they're all so nice. And your smoky eye, for real, for real. Yeah, for real, for real. So this is the Boxycharm for March. Hopefully this is March. Yeah, it's got to be March because I did February. So yeah, March. I'm not sure how much the subscription is. I just kind of subscribe. I believe it's like between $15 and $20 a month. Let me not get myself start lying up on here on the tubester. But you can definitely go to boxycharm.com to check out the subscription. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and swatch these onto my dogwood light. First, we're going to go with Perfect, which is definitely a matte color. And we will start on her little hand here. I love Per Cosmetics. I do want to add that it does have a mirror. Second is Nike, and it has a slight shimmer to it. Let's see. This one we might have to do 2.
It has a peach color to it.
Yeah, this is definitely a peach color. It is really, really, really pretty. I love the pigment. There we go. Look at that, girl. The third one here is Belle, and this one is like a semi-matte color with a little bit of sparkle. And then we'll start going up her arm here. Look how pretty. The next one is Squad. Now this one definitely, you can see it has a lot of shimmer to it, and I'm loving the shimmer. Look at that. Then we have Charmer. Charmer is definitely the bling bling. So you want to go in here. Look at that, how pretty. You guys, yes, if you're wondering where in tarnation my nails are, I did take them off for a while to rest, so I have just an overlay. So this is a Charmer. The next one is Alliance, which is like a dark bronzy color. Woo! That is gold and wood for your butt. In your hand. Has some gold in it. The next one is called Bay. Bay. Let me stop being. Look at that one. We're just going to go up her little arm here. That's very gorgeous. The next one here, we're going to do ATL. One of my favorite places to go. And then we'll go here. Woo! Duet is like a matte color with a little bit of sparkle, as you guys can see. Boom, boom, boom. That's really pretty. Mia is the sassy, super sassy, sparkly turquoise color, you guys. That is pigmented.
Isn't that like a Tiffany
for your
blue?
behind. Sorta.
That's a kind of a Tiffany blue.
Kind of like a Tiffany. Golly, that's so pretty. And then we have BFF, which is just hot pink greatness, which is like a matte color with a little bit of shine. And we'll put this.
You can put it right there.
Right here. Nice.
It kind of looks like my mom's lipstick.
Yeah, kind of.
Like,
and then last but not least is a Boxy. Last but not least is Boxy Black. As you can see, it's kind of like matte, and it's got some gold sparkles and some different color sparkles. So we will do it right here.
That's really black.
And it's so pretty. So pretty. I'm going to go ahead and run up her arm again with the colors. And this, again, is the Pure Slash with Boxy. Guys, really quick, the back of the card that it comes with, the Bay Cautious. The Pure, the Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette retails for $36. The Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara retails for $20. The South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels retail for $10. The Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Makeup Brush retails for $23.15. And Pretty Vulgar retails for $26. That was the blush. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Boxycharm box for March 2018. In the description box down below, there's a giveaway on my channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. As always, guys, stay blessed. Oh, so I'm dropping stuff. Stay warm. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. Bye.